It's on the fucking trailer.
What you been doing? Oh, yeah? Dude, it's been going on for like 20 minutes.
We ain't getting you tape though.
For you, buddy. It's all for you. It's all gone. Oh! Got her! God damn.
Oh,
not like a 200.
Go swimming, bro.
Went swimming, cuz. Oh, it's in reverse? Hell yeah.
Oh, fuck.
He just jumped in to get a shit.
Oh, he missed it by a hair.
Just missed it. Can you get on the back of the boat? Yeah, she walked up the left side of the truck.
Watch her take the truck.
Huh, that'd be fucking key. I would do it. Oh, she's gone. She's at it. Hell yeah. Right here, buddy. That's how you get her done. You got her. He's got her. He's up. Why? Fuck it, dude. I'm gonna watch her take the truck. Crazy. Hey, Slanky. Told you. Fair warning. Huh. Hey, it's only the best every time. It should have been old Scotty Dub's boat. Comical shit. Only the best out here. And look, she's all the way up.
Y'all probably going to end up on YouTube.
Look, she's up at the front of the truck. Wet her and fuck. Pissed off. We got her though. Fuck. Got a little ass.
You know it's a good day fishing when you got to swim to get your boat.
Oh, she's getting beat up when they leave her.
She got her ass hanging out. She just pulled a pants down, you missed it.
Comical.
I thought she was going to take off with the truck.
I thought she was too. You probably locked it. That episode's been real. He's got his boat back.